guys, welcome back to a brand new video. And today we are playing American Farming. Haven't been posting in a while, just been busy with school and homework because there's a lot of homework in my grade. So we are doing some corn harvest, and the video, this is the second video. I had a first video, but I was editing it and it lagged out and it just completely lost all the audio and it was glitchy, so I just couldn't post that for the content. So today we are selling some grain, and I bought the big grain operation farm. He's actually selling all of his all of his haying equipment. So I bought his mower off of him. If you can see in the background, back there, I have an old tractor. And that old tractor, I have it set up on that mower. So, yeah. So I'm gonna detach this. I actually have to go run back down there and pick up that rake and baler. Whoa! And we also have that fertilizer thing out there working. Well, that'll be the next thing. But it looks a little different. I bought an anhydrous bar. I had a sprayer, but I sold the sprayer. Just wasn't worth it. So, just for record, if you guys are wondering how I have that barn open, I do own that farm. I own the cattle farm. I own the pig farm, and I own the cattle farm. So, do anything, we'll probably be investing in some of this bigger hay operation stuff. Because I have the hay pack. I have the hay DLC. So, yeah. But we're going to get this baler back and then run back over there, get that. And hopefully these combines can start making us some moolah. But right now, and we're making moolah. We have almost we have around 22,000 bushels of corn in the bins. Pretty sure they're and about 2,000 bushels of soybeans. So we got quite a bit of soybeans, but we're probably going to save those. And this is the corn and soybean farm. So, the farm is a little crowded right now. We've just been working with stuff. We haven't had time to put everything up. But the plan is all this hay equipment is going to stay out because we're going to just be fast forwarding stuff. It'd be nice to buy one of them hay mergers, but right now I don't have the money to do that. Oh, dang, I just hit that. We just don't have the money to do that because it's right at $90,000, and we don't have $90,000 just to play with. Maybe after we sell some of this corn, the plan is I'm going to try to sell all the corn that we get this year and then keep a little bit in there so when we get desperate we can sell some. And one of the reasons we're doing the silage stuff is the hay is because I was kind of tired of running a silage stuff every single day. It was kind of just getting boring. And if this is farm 2, yeah, so this is the pig farm. This is the cattle farm, my farm, farm 4. I don't know what farm 4 is. Farm 4 is one of these farms. So I got a few bushels out there. And this is the good part. We're never going to run out of storage because we have plenty. So, go. And the neighbor only wanted like 40 grand for all this. He wanted to get rid of it because he's about to retire. So who knows? We might take over this farm. It'd be nice. because then we could have one cattle farm. But who knows? But it'd kind of be nice to have this farm because it's a big farm. But I also like our farm still. So who knows? We might just sell all the cattle stuff and do pigs. That could be another thing. So let's talk to the neighbor. Hey, thanks for letting me take all the equipment. It's gonna be good use. I'm starting that mower of yours. I already took that home, so I've already used that on the. Excuse me. I already started mowing the field out there. So thanks again. Have a good day. Call me if you need anything. So, let's get this rake home. And the plan is, we might be able to get some raking done today. It'd be nice. But, who knows? We might sell that baler. Well, take that back. We might just sell all the cattle stuff. We would make quite a bit of money. Because I'm making about 60 grand per, like, 60 to 80 grand all total. I could do that. I could. We would make quite a bit of money. Say that. That or we just sell them now because I could do pigs. Pigs require corn. And we're always going to have corn and soybeans. So, yeah. We're going to run this rake on this. This is probably the worst tractor to run it on. We're going to do it for sure. I was going to buy the square baler, but I decided not to because it's just not really worth it now. So. Whoa, dang, we're mowing these rows pretty good. Yeah, that's gonna be enough for us for the day. I'm just not gonna do the rest of it. So yeah. I think that's what we're gonna do, guys. I think I'm probably gonna sell that. I might move back over to that farm. That's just a lot of grain I have to transport. Who knows? It'd kind of be nice because I do own that one pig farm over there. I could run both pig farms. Technically, I could. It would be nice too, but I just don't think. Maybe in a later episode we might do that. Oh, whoa! We are ripping around in this pen. Well, there's Bessie. Look at Bessie. How's Bessie doing? Oh, Bessie, you doing good, girl? Good. She's 343. That's her number. So. Oh, there she goes. Bye, Bessie. There's Larry. No, that's Kevin. So, well, that's gonna be a wrap, guys. So, thanks for watching. Go down there, like and subscribe. Well, you already know what to do. Like, subscribe, comment. Okay, go comment down below and comment what is your favorite tractor on American farming. Go down there, comment that. Okay, subscribe. Goodbye. Thanks for watching, guys.